Part B. Hence solve the differential equation dx over dt is x squared t over ln x. So the first thing we have to do is rearrange and separate the variables. So we're going to take the dt, the bottom differential, up onto the top and write dx is x squared t over ln x dt. So that's now our t side, so we can keep t and dt here, and we need to move the others, so we bring ln x up and x squared underneath on the left hand side. And as soon as we've separated our variables, we can write our integration symbols in. So what we're having to do now is integrate the left hand side with respect to x, the right hand side with respect to t. So looking at the left hand side, it looks quite tricky, but actually the question said hence, and all we're doing is spotting that our answer on question A, I'll just show you that again, we had differentiated this function 1 plus ln x over x, and we'd got this function here. So if we integrate back again, we're going to get back to this answer. The only difference is the minus sign here is not in part B. So if we integrate ln x over x squared, we'll get the negative version of 1 plus ln x over x. Okay, so I can just write that down. I already know that integrates to be 1 plus ln x over x. I can integrate t by going upper power and dividing by the new power, and I can put a plus c on one side, and we normally put it on the second side. Now, as soon as you've got that line integrated, you look and see, is there anything that I know I can sub in? And obviously we've been told t is 3 when x is 1. That's going to help us work out the plus c. So minus bracket 1 plus ln 1 over 1 equals 9 over 2 plus c. ln1 is 0. They often use that, so it's useful to remember that. So that's minus 1 is 9 halves plus c. And you can hop that across to get minus 11 halves. Fractions are probably better as left top heavy in this case. Okay, now you sub that back in. So you go to the line where you had your letters as you had integrated, and copy it out and put in that minus 11 halves. Okay, and now the question wants us to rearrange and give our answer in the form t squared equals. Okay, so I can hop the 11 halves over there. That's going to go positive, so I'll put that at the start of the line. Like that. And just times through by 2. So that's going to give me an 11 minus 2 lots of 1 plus ln x all over x. And there's our answer in that correct pattern.